Rosewood District. A possible Code 6 vehicle has just been reported heading eastbound
Hey, where you going?
past Diamond Park. Units to clear and head up.
What's that?
Let me see your hands! Put them up!
Yeah, man, yeah, this is it, we got it.